Hello, welcome to this brief overview of Business Plus for the month of June. Thank you for being a subscriber to ESS BIZTOOLS. We're halfway through the calendar year and we're at the beginning of a new financial year, one that has all the signs of being a fairly tough year for all of our SME clients. And that's why I've written the opening article in this Business Plus, Surviving in Difficult Times, because with high interest rates, high inflation, and the horrible threat of a recession, it's going to be difficult for our clients. In the article, I've summarized some of the activities that you could undertake for your clients if they want to talk to you about helping them through this period. I hope that this helps you in your discussions with clients on potential services that you might be able to offer to them. I've also included in this edition details of some of the information that now has to be submitted to the taxation office. The first item I mention is the taxable payments annual report, which covers those industries, building and construction, courier services, cleaning, information technology, road freight, and security investigation and surveillance services. Those returns are due by the end of August. The next return that might not be as well known is the Early Stage Innovation Company report of shareholders who were allocated shares as part of the achievement of the status as an early stage innovation company. Now, companies either do this themselves under the gateway test by self-assessing, and you need to have made sure they've kept all the information, or if they're assessing under the principles test, they have to submit the summary of the information to the taxation office, who then decide whether they meet the criteria to be assessed as an early stage innovation company. So they go through all that process. If they qualify, they need to submit a return of their new shareholders to the tax office by the end of July, so that the tax office are aware of the people who may be claiming the tax rebate based on their investments in the company. So that's a reminder to any of your clients who undertook the early stage innovation company journey. And it's there also to remind people that this opportunity is there if the company's under 3 years of age, has spent less than $1 million in the previous 12 months, and has an income lower than $200,000, not including any government grant for the Accelerating Commercialisation grant, and one would assume its successor that the government announced in the recent federal budget would be launched later in 2023. We've also got an article around research and development, reminding people who wish to lodge promptly because they're trading at a loss and they've been undertaking legitimate research and development expenditure. They need to spend in excess of $20,000, but they can have as many projects as they like, but they need to have kept all of the records that are required. So that's a reminder, and it also reminds them that if they're not wanting to lodge their returns promptly, because they're not trading at a loss, all of the information needs to be lodged with Oz Industry no later than 30th of April 2024, or the date of lodgement of the company's income tax return. So that's there as a reminder to them also. And following on our theme of talking about business entities and structures, this week or this month, we're looking at unit trusts. So we have a brief article and a chart on unit trusts. That's Business Plus for this month. I suggest that you read the article before you send it out, and then pick the clients that you want to follow up on particular articles. to ring them in a few days' time, suggest you have a cup of tea or coffee with them, and talk through the issues and see if they wish you to go down this path of helping them in this way. If you want to talk to me about any of these matters, or indeed anything to do with the services supplied by ESS BizTools, please don't hesitate to contact me. Send me an email, peter@essbiztools.com.au, and I'll get back onto you. Or if you wish, let's make a phone call, 1800 232 088. Once again, thank you very much for your support of ESS BizTools. Stay safe. Have a great day. Goodbye.